Getting crazy high ping while playing Fortnite on your computer? Don't sweat it. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that annoying high ping issue on your PC. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. First, check your internet speed and latency. To do this, first visit speedtest.net with a browser of your choice. After the website loads, click on Go. Now the website will test your internet speed and give you all the information about your upload speed, download speed, and of course your latency or ping. If the ping is too high, restart your router and disconnect other devices from the network. After that, check again using the same website. If the ping is still too high, contact your internet service provider and ask them for help. Solution 3. Use an optimized DNS server. To do this, open up command prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 here and press enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, just go to settings and click on network and internet. Then click on Ethernet. And click on the edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select manual from here. And then turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the issue is gone. Solution 4. Switch to a server with lower pings. To do this, fire up Fortnite. Then click on the profile icon here. Now click on the settings icon here and then click on settings. Then switch to the game tab. Then click on this arrow to change the game server. Pick the server with the lowest ping and click on apply. Now you should be able to play Fortnite with the lowest ping. So that's how you troubleshoot the high ping issue in Fortnite on your computer. If the video was helpful, smash that like button. Got any questions? Shoot them down in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. Thanks for watching.